Hello friends, this is Lindsay for Fontsy, back with another video tutorial where we are doing this cool trick with sublimation and clear adhesive vinyl. We're going to be sublimating an image, a design onto the clear vinyl. It's super cool and it's really easy, and we're going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. So first you'll need to print out your sublimation designs with your sublimation printer, and you can pretty much use any design that you like. These are from the Sublimation Tumbler bundle, and there's a link in the video description if you want to check them out. And remember, with sublimation you do need to print the design in reverse. You need to mirror it. And then here is your clear permanent adhesive vinyl. So this is Oracal 651 clear. And what you're going to do is use some heat resistant tape to secure the printed sublimation transfer face down on top of the clear vinyl. So just use a couple pieces of heat resistant tape to secure the transfer in place. And then you're going to head on over to your heat press, warmed up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you'll place a piece of parchment paper on the lower platen of your heat press, and then take these pieces and you'll put them on the parchment with the sublimation side up. Go ahead and then cover that, cover all this with another piece of parchment, and then press for 25 seconds. And then you are going to let these cool completely. And so once they are cool, then you'll remove the sublimation transfer off the clear vinyl. And you can do that by either peeling the transfer off of the vinyl or flipping the entire thing over and peeling the vinyl off the transfer. If you do end up with a little bit of the sublimation paper still stuck to the vinyl, then just take a spray bottle and mist the area and then rub it with a towel or with your finger, and the little bits of the sublimation paper will just rub away. And then you can just use a pair of scissors to trim around the design from the clear vinyl. And then essentially you'll just treat this like you would any other piece of vinyl or any other vinyl decal. So we'll put a piece of transfer tape over it and then flip it over to remove the vinyl backing. And we're going to go ahead and place this on a white mug. I found that the clear vinyl, when you sublimate it on it, having a white background behind it, like a white mug, made the colors just really pop and stand out. So I thought that looked the best. But it's, just like regular vinyl, you'll burnish down the design really well, remove the transfer tape, and then you've got your permanent adhesive vinyl that you've sublimated a design on. So it just opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities that you can do with sublimation and vinyl and all the crafty things. So if you like the design that we used for this mug, then you'll find it in the Sublimation Tumbler bundle at Fontsy. So there's a link in the video description if you want to check it out. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.